Is it safe to drive with wheel spacers for BMW E60?
As long as you set up everything correctly, it is very safe to run BMW E60 20mm wheel spacers. These wheel spacers are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the original vehicle hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force achieved by tightening the wheel bolts of each wheel. All forces will be transmitted through each vehicle's hub and its corresponding axle. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle will not be placed on any BMW E60 wheel spacers that are installed. To further improve the corrosion resistance and appearance of the spacers, BONOSS aluminum BMW E60 wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard coat anodizing. A purple hard anodizing coating ensures complete protection against corrosion. The black dye not only brings a premium appearance but also tends to be lightfast. This means that the coatings will not fade easily.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get us BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.